Have you ever found yourself yearning for a breakthrough in your financial journey? Well, picture this. What if I told you that the secret to unlocking your prosperity lies not in complex strategies or mysterious rituals, but in the comforting fragrance of a simple spice? Get ready to embark on a transformative journey with me as we delve into an extraordinary manifestation technique, one that involves the powerful reprogramming of your mind, using none other than the aromatic and age-old spice, cinnamon. It's not just about sprinkling it on your morning toast. We're about to uncover a profound exercise that will channel the forces of wealth faster than you can say cash flow. Hello, fellow seekers of abundance. Welcome back to the space where we explore unconventional methods to manifest prosperity and unlock the full potential of your life. Today's topic may sound unconventional, but as we explore the connection between the mind, body, and spirit, you'll discover the incredible impact that a seemingly ordinary spice can have on transforming your financial reality. Now, the idea of reprogramming for wealth with cinnamon might raise eyebrows. It certainly did for me initially. But here's the thing. Simplicity often holds unparalleled power. In the next few minutes, we're going to tap into the ancient wisdom surrounding cinnamon, using it as a sacred tool to reprogram your thoughts, beliefs, and ideas. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a practical and profound exercise that has the potential to usher positive changes into your life, especially in terms of abundance, money, and overall financial well-being. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of this manifestation technique, let me assure you, it's not about magic or esoteric practices. Instead, we'll be working with the power of your mind and subconscious, leveraging the energy-boosting properties and enchanting aroma of cinnamon. So, grab a pen, paper, and an open mind as we embark on a journey to redefine your relationship with wealth. Stick around. This information is crucial for the effectiveness of the exercise we're about to explore. The idea of reprogramming the mind with cinnamon may initially raise eyebrows and evoke a sense of skepticism. The allure of simplicity, however, often proves to be more potent than complex and mysterious rituals. In this manifestation technique, we intentionally commence our exploration, steering clear of anything mystical or esoteric, choosing instead to leverage the inherent energy-boosting qualities and the captivating aroma of cinnamon, a spice that carries a rich history of significance across various cultures. The practical application of this unique manifestation process begins with the creation of what we term a power phrase. This is not just any statement. Rather, it is a carefully crafted and deeply meaningful affirmation that is tailored to resonate with the individual's desires and aspirations. Phrases such as, "I attract lots of money," or "I am a magnet for abundance and prosperity," become the focal points of this transformative exercise. The intention is to infuse these affirmations with personal significance, establishing a powerful connection between one's financial goals and the chosen phrases. The next step in this intriguing process involves an equally fascinating association, linking the chosen power phrase with the energetic capacity of cinnamon. This is achieved by taking the written affirmation and adding a pinch of cinnamon before sealing it within a paper bag. The strategically chosen location for this bag is typically where one stores money. This ritualistic act creates a tangible and sensory connection between the scent of cinnamon and the affirmation, serving as a potent reminder of one's financial goals every time the bag is opened. Crucially, the scope of this manifestation technique transcends the immediate pursuit of financial gains. It delves into the profound territory of altering one's perception of abundance. By reshaping thoughts and beliefs surrounding wealth, the practice serves as a catalyst for opening up new energetic pathways in life. It prompts individuals to challenge limiting beliefs and cultivate a mindset that is receptive to prosperity and abundance. During financial transactions, the act of expressing gratitude becomes a pivotal element of this manifestation technique. This practice is endorsed by spiritual leaders such as Deepak Chopra, aligning with broader spiritual principles that emphasize the interconnectedness of thoughts, beliefs, and the manifestation of abundance. Recognizing the flow of energy during exchanges of wealth becomes integral to this process, reinforcing the idea that giving thanks during financial transactions establishes a positive energy exchange with the universe. To maximize the effectiveness of this technique, it transforms into a daily ritual. The repetition of anchoring the smell of cinnamon to thoughts and beliefs, coupled with the regular recitation of the power phrase during financial transactions, solidifies the connection between the scent and the positive energy associated with wealth. This consistent reinforcement establishes a powerful association between the sensory experience of cinnamon and the affirmations, creating a mental and emotional link that extends beyond the material aspects of wealth. In addition to serving as a hands-on guide for the manifestation technique, it becomes a complementary space where individuals can explore additional insights, tools, and practices that align with the overarching theme of harnessing energy for positive manifestation. In essence, what may seem like a simple and straightforward practice reveals itself to be a profound and multifaceted approach to reshaping one's relationship with abundance and prosperity. Through the consistent application of these techniques, individuals may find themselves on a transformative journey towards profound and positive changes in their financial reality. The manifestation of wealth, in this context, becomes not merely a pursuit of material gain, but a holistic and intentional shift in mindset and energy that ripples through various aspects of life. In wrapping up this transformative journey into reprogramming your mind for wealth with cinnamon, I encourage you to embrace the simplicity and power of the practices we've explored. Make the daily ritual of associating cinnamon's scent with your affirmations a cornerstone of your routine. Anticipate positive shifts in your perception of abundance. For those eager to delve deeper into energy, the law of attraction, and spirituality, check out our another video link below. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Express gratitude not just for financial blessings, but for the growth this journey brings. Believe in your power to shape reality. Thank you for joining. Until next time, stay blessed and abundant.